In today's world, technology has made our lives so much easier, and this Honeywell Home Smart Color Thermostat is no exception. Whether you're looking to save on energy bills, improve home comfort, or simplify your thermostat management, this Wi-Fi-enabled thermostat brings incredible features that allow you to control your home's temperature with ease and efficiency. So why should you consider upgrading to this smart thermostat? Let's take a closer look at its features, benefits, and why it's the perfect choice for anyone wanting to enhance their home's temperature control. Why choose the Honeywell Home Smart Color Thermostat? The Honeywell Home Smart Color Thermostat stands out as one of the most versatile and energy-efficient thermostats on the market. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just looking to streamline your home's comfort system, this device offers the best of both worlds. Here's why. Customizable Color Screen. This thermostat comes with a high-definition color touchscreen that allows you to customize the display to match your home decor. You can change the color of the screen whenever you like, giving you full control over both function and aesthetic. Energy efficiency. Certified by Energy Star, this thermostat helps you save on energy by optimizing your heating and cooling systems. By tracking your energy usage and providing personalized tips for reducing energy consumption, it helps you cut down on unnecessary costs. Smart features for ultimate comfort. With features like smart response technology, the thermostat learns your home's cycle times, adjusting your system to match your comfort level. It automatically switches between heating and cooling, ensuring the ideal temperature at all times without manual intervention. Remote control. With the Honeywell Home app, you can control the thermostat remotely from anywhere. Whether you're at work, on vacation, or simply lounging at home, adjusting the temperature is just a tap away. Plus, it's compatible with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Microsoft Cortana, making voice control a breeze. Key features of the Honeywell Home Smart Color Thermostat. Number 1. Customizable Color Touchscreen. One of the standout features of this thermostat is its color touchscreen, which allows you to personalize your home's temperature control system. Whether you prefer a bold red, a calming blue, or a neutral gray to match your decor, you can change the screen color whenever you want. Number 2. Energy efficiency for cost savings. The Honeywell Home Smart Color Thermostat is Energy Star certified, meaning it meets strict energy efficiency guidelines. Not only does it help lower your energy consumption, but it also provides personalized tips based on your heating and cooling habits. This means you'll get customized advice on how to further reduce your energy usage and lower your utility bills. Number 3. Smart response technology for precision comfort. Unlike conventional thermostats, the Honeywell Smart Thermostat is equipped with smart response technology that learns the heating and cooling patterns of your home. Number 4. Voice-controlled smart features. With Alexa, Google Assistant, and Microsoft Cortana compatibility, the Honeywell Home Smart Thermostat lets you control your home's temperature with just your voice. Whether you want to adjust the thermostat while cooking, working, or lounging on the couch, it's never been easier to make temperature adjustments. Number 5. Multiple compatibility options. This smart thermostat is compatible with various types of heating and cooling systems, including forced air, gas, oil, or electric, hot water and steam, as well as heat pumps with electric backup. It will not work with electric baseboard heating, so make sure your system is compatible before purchasing. Number 6. Flexible scheduling options. Whether you prefer to manually adjust your thermostat or set it to follow a programmed schedule, this smart thermostat gives you full control. The scheduling options make it easy to set temperature changes for different times of the day, ensuring your home stays comfortable when you need it most. Where can you use the Honeywell Home Smart Color Thermostat? The Honeywell Home Smart Color Thermostat is a great addition to any home, whether you live in a small apartment or a large house. Its compatibility with a wide range of HVAC systems makes it versatile for various setups, from forced air to heat pumps. Living rooms, keep your space comfortable for family and guests. Bedrooms, ensure perfect sleeping temperatures year-round. Offices, maintain a productive and comfortable environment. Greenhouses, perfect for regulating temperature in plant care areas. Basements and attics, manage temperature fluctuations in hard-to-reach areas. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.